Hi everyone, welcome to our math lesson for today. I am Lian and I'll be helping you understand how to illustrate quadratic equation in a super simple way. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to spot a quadratic equation and even create one of your own. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is any equation that can be written in this form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. It looks scary at first, but don't worry, let's break it down. A, B, and C are numbers. They can be any number you like, positive, negative, or even 0. The key here is the highest exponent of x is 2. That's why it's called quadratic. Let's have an example. I have here 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. This equation is quadratic because the highest power of x is 2. A is 2, B is 3, and C is negative 5. See? It fits the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 perfectly. What about we try a real life example? Imagine this. You're throwing a basketball and the height of the ball is described by this equation. H is equals to negative 4.9 t squared plus 10t plus 2. This equation models the height of the ball over time. The variable t is time in seconds, and h is the height in meters. This is also a quadratic equation because of the t squared term. We can rewrite it as negative 4.9 t squared plus 10t plus 2 is equals to 0. If we want to find out when the ball hits the ground. For our next example, let's make our own equation. What if I have x squared minus 16 is equals to 0? This is still quadratic because a is 1, we don't always write it. B is 0, no x terms. C is negative 16. Easy, right? Next example. I have x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation because the highest exponent of x is 2. Let's identify the values. A is equals to 1 since x squared is the leading term. B is equals to 5 and C is equals to 6. It follows the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, so it's definitely quadratic. Our final example is 3x squared minus 7x is equals to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. Here's why. A is equals to 3, B is equals to negative 7, C is equals to 0. Since there is no constant term, as long as there's an x squared term, it's quadratic. So, what did we learn today? Quadratic equations have x squared as the highest exponent. They fit the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. You can find them in real life problems like sports or physics. Now it's your turn. Can you write your own quadratic equation? Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more math lessons. See you next time.